Hello, today we will guide you through how to split screen on Zoom. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access the main home screen without any interruptions. If Zoom takes a moment to launch, that is completely normal. Starting from the app itself is important because the split screen view we are setting up is controlled from inside an active meeting. Once Zoom is open, go ahead and open a sample meeting. This can be any meeting you are using to test your settings or a live meeting where you want to adjust the layout. The key thing is that you need to be inside a meeting before the display options become available. If you are practicing for the first time, using a sample meeting is a simple way to get comfortable with the controls without any pressure. After the meeting opens, look toward the top right area of the Zoom window and find the gallery icon. Click on that icon to access the available viewing options. This section controls how participants and shared content appear on your screen. If you do not immediately see the icon, move your mouse slightly over the meeting window, since Zoom sometimes hides controls until you interact with the screen. From the options that appear, select Side by Side. In Zoom, split screen is referred to as side by side, so this is the setting you want to choose. Once selected, your meeting layout will change, so shared content and participant video can appear next to each other instead of one view taking over the entire screen. This makes it much easier to follow a presentation while still keeping other participants visible. As a helpful tip, side-by-side view is especially useful during screen sharing, training sessions, and collaborative meetings where you want to watch both the speaker and the shared material at the same time. If the layout does not look right at first, give it a second to update and make sure someone in the meeting is sharing their screen, since that is when side-by-side view is most relevant. And that is all it takes to split your screen on Zoom. Once you know that split screen is labeled as side-by-side, the setup becomes quick and easy whenever you need it.